Water is one of the most precious resources, but climate change and unsustainable practices have led to millions experiencing water shortage, not just in drought-prone areas, but even in major cities nowadays. While this is a tough challenge, we need to keep our hopes intact and play our part in solution. Nature is resilient and there are many ways to address this issue. 3 years ago on World Environment Day, we at hdfcmf launched the Nurture Nature initiative to combat climate change and restore ecological balance. Thanks to your support, we are now ready to expand this mission even further. This year, we are embarking on an ambitious project to restore a lake, and we need your help. During the week of World Environment Day, for every digitally registered SIP in HDFC Mutual Fund's equity-oriented funds, gold or silver fund, you will be contributing to the restoration of 5,000 liters of water holding capacity in the lake. By joining this movement, you will not only be taking a step towards wealth creation, but also securing a sustainable ecosystem for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we will make a difference.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.